I'm using today to clean and organize around the house. And this is my workout drawer. This is from my house shoes. And so I need to organize this, hang all of this. I'm going to give myself an hour and a half. Let's see if I can get it done. I made 4 piles: pants, shorts, sports bras, shirts. This is what it turned out like. I put all the shirts on top of the short sets because I won't be pulling for those shorts as often since it's getting cooler. And yeah, it's pretty good. And I have room if I wanted to add new leggings. I did it! I hung up all the clothes. Made it to my closet. I left this here because I'm going to wear this tomorrow. And then these I just grabbed for the most right now. So I've just put those there. Finished just in time. Gotta go get the boys. So I've officially turned into my mother because now I save these. I've been saving these because when I was making the shakes, I needed containers with lids. And I was using these that I'll wash and reuse for shakes. Thanks, Mom. I'm actually feeding me and the kids before football today, which is a first package. It's like Christmas because all these little packages were in that one big package from AliExpress.
Hey, you want to see something?
So creepy. What is that for, Angela?
Halloween is the purge. We got another one. It's Aiden. Right here. He got one too. As a controller. You can literally see the blood. I'm going to show you it.
Okay, so I got this little rhinestone necklace that looks like little diamonds. I've seen some on Instagram that caught my eye, and then I went to AliExpress, and I found this. Oh, I know what this is. I'm not going to open it. It's a little bralette. Ordered a blazer and a pair of shoes. Yep, this is it. Oh, it's actually really nice and kind of heavy. Oh, these are cute. It has this little thing right here, and it should be...
We can't see it.
Sorry. It has this little white piece right here, but I think I can twist it so that's hiding. Oh, these are cute. Has a little ankle strap.
Make sure you subscribe. Oh, sure. Put the camera back now.
I am.
Chloe.
She don't want to look at the camera.
Face it at her. Make sure you subscribe, guys.
This is what I was envisioning with this necklace. Like a bunch of gold necklaces like layered with it. Maybe to go out. Maybe just to jazz up a regular white tee. I don't know. It's really cute. But it's, this is Amazon, Sydney Evan, AliExpress, and Ana Luisa. It's happening. They're starting the process. Well, they're rerouting the gas line. It is 12:21 and I filmed a favorites video and some intro and outros to 2 other videos. Hopefully I can film them all this week because I wanted to post one each day. We shall see. But they're working on the pool. Well, they're working on rerouting the gas line. So they've been working out there all day. I think they went for lunch because they're gone. And yeah, I'm gonna eat my sandwich, I'm gonna download the video, and I'm gonna go get the boys. So here's a necklace from AliExpress. I paired it with all of these necklaces. I really like the way it looks. Now wearing this little dress from TJ Maxx. I got it a while ago. I actually wore it as an airport outfit when we went to Mexico last. It's really comfy. It's got a really high slit because I think it's supposed to be a shirt. But I wear it as a dress and I just wear these nude biker shorts. Just got home and I haven't even started cooking. But he got home earlier than normal. So I'm going to make him his favorite, which is fiesta salad. Or I think it's also called Frito pie. It's ground beef. I use the taco seasoning, white rice, chopped up lettuce, cheese, ranch style beans, picante sauce, and Fritos.
made a song about the bully from Simpsons, and the Simpson brother.
Bart?
Yeah, Bart pants fall down, and the bully went like this, ha ha, and then they went like this, and then they made a song like this, ha 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 ha.
Wow.
Can I show him my glove?
Yes.
You're gonna see a lot of glowing stuff. Dang, 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 dang.
Where are you going, to the bathroom?
Where are we going? We're going to the restroom.
Good morning, it's Wednesday. I just got some mail, so I'm gonna open that. I think it's my Shein package. I posted a video last night of my current favorites. Y'all should check it out if y'all haven't already. I needed to film a styling video, but I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to do that today. I'm gonna shoot for tomorrow to do that. Today I'm just gonna try to finish up cleaning up. I don't think I can do laundry because they're working in the back and they didn't close off the water, but they have like pipes open back there, so I don't think I can do laundry. But I should be doing, but I may just use that as an excuse that I can't. Let's open this package I got. Let me sit y'all down. I got what I thought was 2 evening bags, but I ended up getting 2 of the same kind and then another one. Oh, this one's much bigger. This is a good size. This is like a really like cream color, almost like a bone color. So it's got like a little bit of a yellow tint to it. I definitely will be returning one, so I'm not even going to open it. This one definitely looks more of a tan color, I can already tell in here. This one's much bigger. I think I'm going to go, oh, it doesn't even look tan. It's a gold. It's like a gold color. Wow. Look at this. This is beautiful. Now, how do you open it? It's got like a little snake. Oh, look at that. I really thought this was... It has a chain. These are the 2 bags that we're going to be paired with the potential dress I end up picking. But I did put a little bit of makeup on, did my eyebrows, put some lashes on, and I changed my pants. I was wearing like drawstring green pants, and I threw on these Walmart jeans again, and I'm probably going to throw something on top of this. I don't know if I'm going to do a white shirt or a chambray shirt, but it's 11 o'clock and I haven't even had coffee. So I think I'm going to make me a breakfast, a brunch, and have some coffee right now. Yes, delicious. You know I'm recording, that's why you're not being nice to her. Aw, sweet girl.
They always come back.
So this happened while I was trying to wash the dishes. This is why me and dishes don't get along, because something like this happens. Well, hello, it is Thursday and it's 11 o'clock. I'm headed out because, so I was washing dishes and my middle stone in my engagement ring came off, and thankfully I got it, and so I put it all together in a little bag, grabbed all my paperwork from when I got married 8,000 years ago, and I'm headed over to get it fixed. Hopefully they can fix it. Put on this little maxi dress. I didn't take a little video of it, but I should have, and I'll get a picture of it later, because when I put it on I was like, oh, this would be so cute. Those cowboy boots I got from Burlington, but it's too dang hot for that, although it'd be super cute. Hopefully no one sees me talking to the camera, but it was a fail going to the jewelry place because the place is no longer there, which is Jared's. That's where I got my ring 8,000 years ago. That's where my husband got the ring 10,000 years ago, and actually in 2006. So we got married in 2007, so he got the ring in 2006. And we always go there for maintenance, but it's apparently no longer there. I got a Starbucks and something to eat because I'm starving. And yeah, so the store's no longer there, and now I have to go up north to Plano because that's the closest store to me. So I'll be going there after I pick up the boys. However, I was close to Galleria, so I stopped by Galleria and got the boys outfits for the pumpkin patch tomorrow at H&M. And I got a little, oh, and then I went to Ross and got me a little sweater. And I got the gift I needed to get at Nordstrom. So it was still a successful trip. Now I just have to go find a Jared's. We didn't go to Jared's after all because they're working on the back, and they just turned off the gas, so they're gonna have to come in the house to turn the gas back on, and it's gonna take me a couple of hours to get there and back and do what I need to do. So I didn't go just so I could be here, as well as my husband ordered the iPhone 13 and it should arrive today, so I want to be home for that as well. So let's just have a haul. Okay, I went to Target and bought my husband 2 shirts since we are going to the fair tomorrow. I got him either this shirt to wear with his Nikes or this shirt to wear, whichever one he wants to wear, and then this one, to this little zip up hoodie to wear on top, and this really pretty. Okay, they just knocked and said we can't use the water, so don't flush the toilet or use the water. Okay, so I was saying is this little hoodie sweater from the Goodfellow brand in this really pretty camel color. I think this would be cute to wear on top of either of these shirts. And then I picked up this super cute fanny pack. It's by A New Day. My other 2 fanny packs, a black one and like a bubblegum pink, are also from A New Day, but this one's a little bit different. It's definitely bigger. It's super big. I wear my fanny packs like this, and I love this like taupey color, and it's also that like this nylon material, so they're really easy to clean and really spacious. And this one obviously is even more spacious because it's much longer. So yeah, you could totally fit a lot in there. I'll show you on my phone in comparison. So yep. And then I recorded at Ross, so you may have already seen this, but I ended up getting this little like pom-pom sweater cardigan, and it's kind of an oversized, but it's a small, but if you button it, you could wear it as a shirt. From each of them, we got the pumpkin patch outfits for the boys. I actually just ordered those Nike Court Legacies for Aiden in the white, black, and like this tan color in it. So I was kind of hesitant to get these, but I'm like, but these look completely different than those. And I got this little set to wear at the fair tomorrow. It's just a black set, kind of like the one I already have in cream. So it's like a tank top like this. It has like a little v-neck opening, and then some shorts in a ribbed material. And I got it in a size medium. Hopefully it fits, so I'm gonna try these on right now. And if you can see, they've got like a little ribbed material.
Hello.
Oops, do your eyebrow thing. Where'd you get that?
From school. I had to pay.
Oh, well, what did you pay with?
Sophie Stacks.
Sophie Stacks. They get Sophie Stacks, which is like money, and then they buy things. I'll go ahead and show y'all the little gift for my friend that we're doing the little brunch. That's cute, right? I think it's like a, I don't know if it's focusing. It's like an evil eye. It's got like little gems on it. And that's it. That was my little mini haul. We're ready for the fair. This is my outfit.
Oh.
This is my son's outfit.
No.
This little set is from Amazon. It's one of those ribbed. I showed it to y'all yesterday, sorry. It's that ribbed set. And then I just tied a flannel. It was supposed to be cool this morning, but I think it's already warmed up. My Target bum bag, my gold jewelry, and I did a full face of makeup because hopefully this will last until the pumpkin nights tonight. So we'll see. And I did my hair, but it's probably gonna be hot. And then I have to put my shoes on still.
Help. Help.
Sheesh.
Help. 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 Help.
He said,